Hi, my name is Kritiv. I just completed my digital marketing course today from Digitalippo Institute. The reason I joined this course was the digitalization of the world, which makes it very important for us to know about the concepts of digital marketing and to grow with the digital world. And my experience in Digitalippo have been very good because all my conceptual knowledge about digital marketing, about all the concepts of digital marketing have been cleared so well, and our teacher made it so easy for us to understand all the concepts, not only about digital marketing but about other concepts as well. And I feel very happy that I joined this course at this very institute named Digitalippo, and I'm pretty sure that I'll be able to join good jobs as well with the knowledge I've gained here. So I suggest my friends, my partners, my everyone to join this course, digital marketing course at Digitalippo Electronics.